Hi everyone, it's Sharice. Today I'm showing you how to use the halo eye technique to make your eyes look bigger and brighter. To show you what a difference this makes, I'm starting with one eye already complete. The first step in all my eye looks is to prime with the Hello Pretty Under Eye Brightener to prevent creasing and prevent the color from fading throughout the day. A little goes a long way here. The halo eye is all about using makeup strategically to create the eye shape you want. So first, I'm using Boots to create dimension by darkening my outer corner and crease. I'm applying it dry and also using this as the base color for my lid. I'm making my eye look even bigger by actually extending that color beyond the boundary of my lid. To make this even more dramatic, I'm using Pursuit to darken the outer corner. This time I'm applying the color Wet, and the goal here is to create the illusion that my eye is so big that it's literally casting a shadow around it. To create our halo, we have to highlight the center of the lid. Today I'm using the white gold illuminator. I'm covering the surface of my damp number 10 small flat brush, and then using that to tap it onto the center, highest point of my lid where the light would naturally hit. I'm also applying that same highlight to the inner corner and brow bone. And then I'm just taking the number 18 angled eyeshadow brush and lightly blending the edges, but don't overblend it because you want that highlighter to stand out. Another great tip for making your eyes appear bigger is using a cat eye because this extends the length of your eye. If you've watched my tutorials before, you know I'm obsessed with the control I get from using the number 4 pen point detail brush. I'm using Black Beauty Wet to create my line. And the final step is to add my black mascara. And that's my halo eye makeup look. Thanks for watching.